Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, alloy wheels, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, push button start, capless fuel filler system, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.